In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of all sessions on the ChatGPT Atlas app. Whether you're concerned about security or just want to ensure that you're signed out of all devices, I'll guide you through the entire process. It's quite simple, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the ChatGPT Atlas app on your device. Once the app is up and running, you'll find yourself on the home screen. From here, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice a little icon there, which is your profile. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up your profile menu, which contains several options related to your account. Next, let's move on to settings. It's in this area where we can make the necessary security adjustments. You'll see the settings option appear once you've clicked on your profile. Click on it, and it will lead you to a new page full of various settings categories that you might find useful. In the settings menu, you're going to want to focus on the General section. This is where you have access to a number of foundational settings for your account. There's a particular option here called Manage All Account Settings. You'll need to click on that to proceed. This section is crucial because it contains detailed options specifically related to how your account functions across devices and platforms. As you navigate through, you'll come across the Security tab. Clicking on Security will direct you to the part of the settings where you can manage how your account is accessed and protected. This is where you'll find various security measures and options to enhance your account's safety. Once you're on the security page, keep an eye out for an option that says Log Out All. This is your target. What this button does is allow you to securely log out of all devices that are currently accessing your account. It's a great feature if you're looking to maintain privacy or ensure that no unintended access is happening from other devices you might have logged in from before. When you click the Log Out All button, the process should be straightforward and instant, logging you out from all sessions except the one you're currently using. It's a simple click, but provides a lot of peace of mind knowing your account is secure and your sessions are in your control. And there you have it. That's how you log out of all sessions in the ChatGPT Atlas app. I hope this guide was helpful and that it makes your usage of the app both secure and easy. Stay safe and take care.